Hey everybody, it's your boy J Cal here. I wanted to let you know that I'm hosting Angel.University, and this is for accredited investors, every month now to raise money for coronavirus charities. We've done it twice, and we've raised close to $40,000. And we're charging just $100 as a donation, and you'll learn for 3 hours how to become an angel investor. This is the complement to the book I wrote, Angel. And if you want to get the book, it's angelthebook.com. But if you want to come to the class, just visit Angel.University. That's right, no .com. .University is actually a domain name now. So go to Angel.University. You can sign up there. If you want to give more than $100, that's great. We gave it to a bunch of different coronavirus charities. And I love teaching this course. And I used to do it in person for 50 people. And the last time we held the class, last month, we had 250 people on Zoom and in a chat room on Slack talking about how to angel invest. So if you are an accredited investor, you can look that up online, but basically it means you have income of $200,000 a year, or you have $1 million in net worth, not including your house, your primary residence. You can sign up. And the next two dates are May 11th and June 15th. And I teach this with my friend Mike Savino, and it's a great joy of my life to teach it with him, one of my lifelong friends, and to teach you how to angel invest in startups. Who knows? Maybe you'll hit your own Uber, Robinhood, Thumbtack, Calm.com, any of these great companies I've been so lucky to invest in. So please join me and please help a great cause, or many great causes, in fact, and let's get there together. Okay. Thanks so much for listening.